out here again. Today's project, at least for the morning, is to get new tires put on the Dart. So I pulled this thing off of jack stands that have been sitting for 20 years, and I put tires on it off a spare set that I had that they were 20 years old. They're all dry rotted and that. I've been driving them, so luckily I got away. And then I bought a set of slicks for 20 bucks off Facebook Marketplace, and I've ran them to where cords are showing. And I got cords showing on them. So we got a set of Mickey Thompson, radial tires here, and I talked a guy down on Facebook Marketplace. He was asking 200. I got them for $20 a piece. So we're gonna put those on here, and then I got these are the originals. I got a set of knockoff. They're off-brand tires, but I got those for 30 a piece, and they got pretty good tread on them, and they got pretty good beads. So we're gonna run over Union Tire and get new to me tires put on the old car. Alright, I'm gonna take some wheel cleaner. I got the wheel off here and just clean it up. So, do a little shininess to the wheel here while we got it off, and clean it up, and then I'll get them all put on back here to the car. So alright, we got new tires on and they're all armor-alled. We're going to take it for a drive. Had to stop by the IGA, get some groceries on the way home. Alright, so we got the new tires, and we're rolling around now. If you like this kind of stuff, check back in. Have a nice day.